Welcome back, y'all. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. So look, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I mean, what is going on with all of you beautiful people? And yeah, and I don't want to forget this, but Cyclops, how are you doing as well? How are you, Sasa? Now, y'all, I got the chance to go ahead, and watch Chrissy's video, Q&A with her boo. And what I am going to say, you guys, is that I think Chrissy and him are completely cute. I mean, the energy that they both give off on each other, I mean, it's just like, it's too cute. Like, him from all of the other people that Chrissy has brung up on here, and you know what I mean, like her husband or whatever, he even seems to have a little fashion sense. Now, don't get it twisted. I don't know quite yet if it's really, really good or if Chrissy is dressing him. But what I will say is he seems that he is clean cut and well put together. And if you guys know anything about Reese, let me tell y'all something. One thing about me. I, myself, will not deal with a guy that is not, rare. You get what I'm saying? He could wear things and kick it off. You get me? Because y'all already know how I am. I'm a little edgy. Okay. And a lot of things that I wear, a lot of things that I come up here on this camera with on, my girls will sometimes be like, go the fuck back in the house and come back out looking representable. They sure will. Like, let me tell y'all. I don't know if I wore this or whatever, because I think I wore it one time and then gave it away to my cousin. But I had a basically jumpsuit on. You know the little buckles, little straps that come over, whatever. So, I call myself, my girlfriend, she called me, she like, come on, let's go to Target real quick. So y'all already know I got my little cute little thing on, got my Balenciagas on or whatever. You get what I'm saying? Got my Fendi bag in my hand and I walk on out the door because at this point, I feel like I am dressed to kill. You couldn't tell me shit. I didn't even get to open up the door in my girlfriend's car. She rolled the window down and said, Reese, we not doing that shit today. Go back in the house and take them fucking overalls off. But y'all already know me. I ain't gonna be able to do it. So I kindly got back in the car. You get me? Because I have said to her before she got the car that she has now, she would pull up and I would say, you know what? I'm clearly not getting in that. We will actually take my car and you have the option of driving my car because I don't want to drive and I am clearly not getting into your car. Not only do I not like it, but it's a fishbowl. And I know you guys that know me by now know what a fishbowl is, and that is a car without tinted windows. I don't like it. I don't want it. I can't have it. No, 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 no. Like I've told you before, when I go somewhere, I like to be real calm, collect, you get what I'm saying? People don't know you when you pull up or whatever. I go ahead and, I put on my hater blockers, which is my shades, and I get out the car. Because not only that, but I am looking around at everyone to see what is going on. And I don't want them, you get what I'm saying, to be looking at me. So I need my hater blockers on. I will even wear my hater blockers into the store. All right. I sure will. I don't have a problem with it. But you know what, guys? I have two eyes that work. I know people that have one eye that work only. Well, at least I think it works. I mean, I don't know. But the other eye's like always, all way over there. You get what I'm saying? It's like it's just like over there. Y'all see over there? No, look real closely. Over there. All right. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this Q&A because y'all already know that your girl would come up here and act like a fool for no apparent reason. And y'all already know that your girl will drag a bitch. And I'm going to tell y'all something. I'm trying my hardest to be calm. I am trying my hardest to stay as adorable as I am. But you know what, guys? Sometimes that gets hard. Sometimes you got to come from underneath of the sweater, the little DKNY I got on today. You know, and this sweater right here, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all, this is real official. You know, real official. Yeah. Nordstrom's, baby. Nordstrom's all the way. Y'all know I love some Nordstrom's. I love Nordstrom's rack as well. Okay. You know what? Tomorrow, me and my sis are actually going to go to Nordstrom's. I might go ahead and take you guys with me to do, you know what I mean, some shopping. Because your girl loves to do shopping. But let me tell y'all something else about me. When I actually go shopping, because I have OCD, I like to go shopping in the morning time when the store first opens. Not only do I have OCD, but I am an introvert. That's why people always ask me, why won't you go live? I want you to go live. You went live last time. You had 1,000 people in one live. Who the hell does that for the first time? Now, that right there, y'all, is one of the reasons I don't go live. Because I'm an introvert. And I will have to interact with y'all, looking at comments, looking at the screen. It's not like I am doing right now, doing the video and talking, and then, you know, I'm going to go ahead and slide up off of here. When you go live, it's a lot of energy that you gotta, you know what I mean, put into it. You gotta read the comments. You gotta make sure in the comments you don't have cyclopses inside or whatever. It's a lot of things, you know, that you gotta do. You got to make sure that ain't nobody in your comments, you know, sounding like a cyclops, or, you know, you don't have this troll in your comments, even though I got moderators. And I can tell you right now, my moderators are off the hook because they are my regular subscribers and my regular, you know, YouTube sister family. Yeah, but that's kind of why I don't go live. So for 2021, I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to get it together and start going live because I receive a lot of emails about it. I receive a lot of y'all dragging the fuck out of me because I will not go live. Yeah, and then see, the other thing is y'all already know that this right here, my mouth, is kind of unfiltered. So when I go live, you know, if I say something real crazy, it's already out there. I mean, yo, it is just, like, it's just too much for me, y'all. It really is. It really is. But yeah, let's get head on to what we were talking about. And that was Chrissy. And another thing y'all probably should know is that I have ADD. So, yeah, I get off of subjects and, you know, talk about that subject, better get on another subject and then another one. Yeah, so I constantly got to be redirected. But, yeah, I'm working on it. But anyway, yeah, so like I said, I really like, you know what I'm saying, Chrissy in this situation that she is in right now. You could tell on her face that she's happy. You get what I'm saying? You could tell on her face that she is at a different place than she was a few months back. Now, I don't really know where she met this guy, if it was POF or whatever the fuck, or if it was Bam cousin or Bam next door neighbor. But y'all already know. So Chrissy, they did the little Q&A. One of the questions was, how do you find time to, with each other? And like Chrissy said, she said, sometimes she'll take the kids to her mom, and then, sometimes basically she gets them situated, and, that's her, you get what I'm saying, time with him. So I was like, you know what? I think that's, really, really cute, because she said that, he was really, really good with the kids. She said she invited him over for the first time, and you would have thought that he has known these kids basically all of his life. Now, when she said that, I had to backtrack, and it made me think about her best friend, Radio. And I'm going to tell y'all some serious shit, whether you like it or you don't. If you don't like it, then go ahead and click off of this video. That's what we're going to be doing in 2021 too. I'm going to have to get you guys in order, in shape, and a single file line to let you know what we are going to do in 21 and what we will not be doing in 21. See, she said that, he was really, really good with them. And I said, that's good. But looking at Chrissy and looking at Jasmine Q&A, the shit was completely out of the ordinary. You got Chris. He is sitting behind Jasmine, you get me, with that red shirt zipped all the way up to his goddamn neck, like I said, looking like a roll-on stick of deodorant, preferably Old Spice in the red and white, you get me? And he is looking at Jasmine when she asks questions. He is looking at Jasmine like he is an actual serial killer. Yeah, he was looking at Jasmine like he was a serial killer. I said, I wanted to say, Jasmine, do you see him back there looking at you? Do you see that face that he is actually making right now? Oh, okay. So then, Chrissy went on to say, what were their pet peeves? He was really cute. He said, you know what? I don't really have any pet peeves about her. She said the only pet peeve that she had about him was the thing with the tissue. And I gotta say, you get me? I thought that was really, really cute. And I mean, they really don't have any pet peeves about each other. And that is the same way that me and my husband is. I'm trying to tell you, if you would see us on camera, you would be like, y'all, I see why you a fucking fool. If you would see me and my dad on camera, you would say, I see exactly why you are a fool. Because you are surrounded by fools. And I am. I mean, it is. Your girl likes to laugh over here. She likes to laugh, okay? So look now. Went on to address that. She went on to say, what are the good qualities that you like about each other? Chrissy said that he can throw down in the kitchen. And you know what? I totally understand, because I don't think that any other guy that Chrissy has messed with can go ahead and, maneuver in the kitchen. When you got a guy that knows how to maneuver in the kitchen, you become a fat girl, just like me. And you can already see that Chrissy has gained a lot of what I call happy weight. That's what it's called, y'all. If y'all didn't know, it's called happy weight. And when you see someone, that's a little bit chunky or whatever, like my girlfriends tend to call me and I call them, you say that they are just a little bit fluffy. And I mean, y'all already know, I'm the type of person, I don't want to be all skinny and have a flat ass. I don't want to have a flat ass, you get what I'm saying, chest, no damn breast, no nothing or whatever. I got to be able to get into my clothes and pull it off, you get me? You know what, I ain't even going to get into it, but y'all already know how I do over here. I don't care or whatever. You can body shame me all you want to, but guess what? I'm not like Liv, and I, myself, don't even care. You feel me? But yeah. So, I mean, and what else did she ask him? They asked if he had a child. He said, yes, he had one child. I said, oh, Chrissy, go ahead. Only one child? Yeah, Chrissy, do your thing. Then they went on to ask, would she get married? And he was for it and Chrissy was for it. So with that, looking at them, I said, you know what? This is going to go somewhere. Chrissy, you went head on and you locked up, Chrissy. Chrissy, I don't think we're going to be able to see you crying in no bathrooms for a while. Maybe never. You get me? And like, you know, I really, really feel happy for you because I feel like, you get me, that any girl, any woman, you know, when they came out of a bad relationship, sometimes you feel like you are never, ever going to find that good person, that number one stunner. You get me? Sometimes you feel as though, and I know Chrissy feels it, is the fact that she has 9 kids. Who is going to want a woman that has 9 kids? Every time he go over there, he has to see them. He has to hear the noises. She needs help, you know, mentally, physically, financially. And he's okay with it. You can tell his demeanor. You can tell his aura sitting next to her that he really likes Chrissy. You get me? And he does not care what anyone has to say. Not at all. And like I said, y'all already know, no matter what, Reese come up on here and she tell the exact truth. I don't care, you know what I mean, what I think about you, and I don't care what you think about me. I'm going to just tell you the truth. She went on to say, and he answered, will they have a baby together? She said yes. He said yes. Like I already told you guys, I can already tell you, probably before next year is all the way to an end, 2021, Tina is going to already have a bun in the oven cooking. Hopefully before that happens, she has that beautiful ring on her hand that she does not have to buy for herself. And this time, he will buy it as a man should. Yeah. What else did she ask him? Oh, motivation. She says that he keeps her on her toes. He motivates her. He tells us, baby, you got to get these videos out. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And when you have a guy that keeps you motivated, and she said that basically in so many ways that he is knocking down her walls in the bedroom. I mean, what else could you want? What else could you want? But what I'm going to say to you, Chrissy, is can you please go over there and tell your girl Radio Jasmine that this is the way that you are supposed to look on camera. When you looked at him when he wasn't looking at you, you could see in his face that he was there for you, that he was there to shine and be a rock star. I mean, I'm sorry, y'all. You might not like it, but you could clearly see that he wasn't on no type of bullshit. And then what got me even more is the fact that, like she said, there are no secrets. I am actually using his cell phone right now as I do this Q&A. And that is exactly how it's supposed to be. So with that being said, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get up off of this camera, and I am going to see you beautiful people in my next video. Cyclops, see you later, One Eye. See you later. Bye.